Hello, my name is Julia and this is Space Daily News channel. Virgin Galactic's spaceplane has finally launched after 2 years on the ground. Virgin Galactic's VSS Unity spacecraft made a 9-minute test flight over New Mexico spaceport in America on Wednesday, April 26. The purpose of this flight was to test the condition of the spacecraft and the VMS Eve launch vehicle after upgrades. Branson's American company Virgin Galactic plans to organize tourist suborbital space flights and launches of small satellites using the VSS Unity spaceplane. In the future, the company plans to offer its clients orbital flights as well. The flight itself consists of the ascent of the spacecraft with the plane to a 16 km altitude, undocking of the VSS Unity from the plane, and its further journey on its own rocket engine. The total flight time is 2.5 hours, including 5-6 minutes in weightlessness. Up to 8 people at a time can be on board the spacecraft, 2 pilots and 6 passengers. At the end of the flight, both aircraft return to Earth separately, landing on the runway. The first suborbital flight of the spacecraft with tourists on board took place on July 11, 2021. Among the 6 passengers was the head of Virgin Galactic, Branson. Since then, there have been no launches for almost 2 years, as Virgin Galactic was upgrading the spacecraft and the launch vehicle. This work has included replacing the pylon that attaches VSS Unity to the launch vehicle. During a recent test flight, there were 2 pilots aboard the spaceplane, with a maximum altitude of only 14,000 meters. When the next flight will take place is not yet reported, but it is known that about 600 future passengers are already waiting in line to fly on paid tickets. Space Daily News, like, share and subscribe.